Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let E and F be two independent events. The probability that exactly one of them occur is 11 by 25. Okay, so first try to understand this part. So, these guys are talking about X and Y, E and F. Suppose this is E, this is F. So they are talking about exactly one of the event occurs, means they are talking about this room and they are talking about this room. Okay, we cannot write down those things together, so just keep this thing in your mind. And the probability of none of them occurring is 2 by 25. So none of them is outside, nothing will occur. 2 by 25. Okay, if P of t denotes the probability of occurrence of event t, okay, suppose that this is x, this is y, this is z. So can I say that probability of x plus probability of y plus probability of z equals 1? Sorry, the outside also we have to consider. It's a universal set. So 2 by 25. Okay, these things sum up to 1. And they are saying that x plus z. So x plus z is what? X plus z is 11 by 25. So can I say that y plus 11 by 25 plus 2 by 25 equals 1? Okay, so it is 13. So can I say that y will become 12 by 25? है ना, 1 minus 13 by 25. So this is your y is intersection. Now they are talking about these situations and we have no other information. So what we will do now, we will take help of option to justify the answer. Okay, so now you will solve each and every option to get the result done. So suppose that P of E is 4 by 5. Okay, look at this, they are saying that both events are independent. So who is this y? Y is intersection, correct? So can I say that, suppose I'm talking to option A. Option A is what? P of E is 4 by 5. P of B is what? 3 by 5. So if you will observe, it is, you know that it is talking about independent. This means, can I say that P of E intersection F equals P of E into P of F. So intersection is what? 12 by 25. P of E is what? 4 by 5, 3 by 5. So it is 12 by 25. So option A holds true. Option B is 2 by 25. That's wrong. Option C is 2 by 25. That's wrong. Option D is 12 by 25. This means option D is also correct. So option C, option B is wrong. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.